Before we get into today's video, first a word from our sponsor, Hobibear. One of my biggest goals this year, 2025, is to do more walking. But let me ask you something. Have you ever struggled to find shoes that actually let your feet breathe while keeping them dry? Me, I have. Some shoes are too tight, some are just too clunky, and some just don't give that natural feel when walking. But let me tell you, these Spruce waterproof Barefoot shoes by Hobibear are the answer. Now, what makes them so special? First, they're designed to give you that barefoot feeling while still protecting your feet from the elements. The 4mm thick rubber sole is flexible yet slip resistant, making every step feel natural and secure. Whether you're walking through rain, snow, or just tackling a busy day, these shoes keep your feet dry and comfortable. The artificial leather upper isn't just stylish, it's also waterproof, so no more soggy socks. That's one of the reasons why I love them. And the cotton lining feels super soft inside, giving that cozy, snug fit without being too tight. And the lace-up design lets you adjust for the perfect fit, making them great for all-day wear. I've worn these out and about, and they really hold their shape while keeping my feet supported. They move with you, so you don't feel stiff or restricted. Plus, they're lightweight enough to pack for trips or wear for long walks without feeling weighed down. So if you're looking for the shoes that give you the freedom to move, the protection you need, and the comfort you deserve, these Spruce waterproof Barefoot shoes by Hobibear are the perfect choice. Give them a try and feel the difference with every step. I do have my affiliate link in the description box. Check them out. You'll be glad you did. Hello, beautiful babes. Sweet angel in the building. Oh my gosh, y'all. Hello, welcome in. Oh my goodness, it was an amazing weekend. Amazing. As a matter of fact, I did my makeup yesterday, and even though I washed my face off, my eyelash glue is still there. So I said I need to delve into one of my all-time favorite makeup oil removers, and that's what I'm going to mix up today. But I decided to record it for you all. So let me put my eyeglasses on so I can see what I am doing, y'all. I have got to get this going because this eyelash glue, if you're looking for one that will stick and stay, oh my gosh, let me see if I can find it in here in my makeup drawer, because y'all need to know what it is. It is Muse Lash. Is it coming through on the screen? I hope so. But this is it here. And let me tell you, if it didn't have my lashes on all weekend, baby, I'm telling you right now, I have a new container that I'm going to mix up everything in. It's pretty simple. It's pretty simple. Now what we're mixing up is actually going to remove the makeup gently, but also nourish. So that's what I love. I love nourishing products. I have my measuring spoon here. The only problem I foresee is that vitamin E. I didn't have vitamin E, but grapeseed oil contains a high amount of vitamin E, so I'm going to use it, which is, pretty much the same, but we need it as a preservative also in the product. So, and I don't have me a funnel, but I think I can do it without it, okay? So we're going to start off pretty simple. I have really 4 different oils that I'm going to use. I'm going to use some jojoba oil, or you can also use sweet almond oil if you have that. This is going to help dissolve the makeup and hydrate as well. I'm Let me just lay this somewhere because I'm going to pour it into my measuring spoon here. I have a little measuring spoon and we're going to take 2 tablespoons. This is 1 tablespoon here, so we'll do that 2 times, y'all. So we're just mixing it up. All right, did y'all see that? Can y'all see? And tablespoon number 2 of the jojoba oil. I definitely need my funnel, but we're going to make do. We're going to waste a little bit, but we know how to clean up. We know how to clean up. We'll just clean as we go. Next up, we have 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I'll have the products that I am using in the description box. If you'd like to check those out, you are welcome to. You know I do use affiliate links, and I do. All right, that went in pretty smooth. Let's try it again. And coconut oil, y'all, helps to remove stubborn waterproof makeup. So I know for sure if I have eyelash glue, it is waterproof. So that may be part of my problem. Wrong products trying to remove it. Okay, so we have the jojoba oil done, we have the coconut oil done, and next up I'm going to use some castor oil. Castor oil, this is the one here that I am using, and castor oil, if you didn't know, helps to deep cleanse your pores, and all I'm going to take of that is 1 tablespoon. Okay, now with the coconut oil you can use 1 to 2 tablespoons of it. I used 2 tablespoons of it because I was trying to make enough, because I'm in my season of wearing makeup again, and I know that I will go through this in no time. So as I mentioned, we're going to be using some vitamin E, but I don't have my vitamin E. What happened was I had my vitamin E oil in my purse, and for some odd reason the top open or did not get closed. Okay, I know it was me, but I wasted all in my purse. So now I'm using grapeseed oil, which does have a high amount of vitamin E in it, y'all. The grapeseed oil is going to help nourish your skin, but it's also going to help, again, to extend the shelf life of this mixture. And I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of that. 1 tablespoon. Ooh, I did my hands all wrong, so I'm not sure if I'm going to waste this or not. And I did. And I did. But that's okay. We're gonna clean up. We're gonna clean up as we go. Clean up as we go. So I'm gonna give this a little shake. Shake it well before using it. And to apply this, y'all, just use a few drops on a cotton pad or your fingertips and gently massage it all over your face and wipe it off with a warm, damp cloth or rinse with lukewarm water. You can follow up with your regular cleanser and you're done. And this oil works for all skin types and helps dissolve even waterproof makeup while keeping your skin soft and hydrated. Amazing. I'm ready to go for it, okay? I'm ready to go for it right now because your girl needs help with getting this gunk off of her eyes. It's been 2 days too long. I'm going to use my fingertips, of course. And hopefully this works. I'm putting it all over because I'm also going to do my facial massages. My eyes are hella puffy as well. Just to let that kind of sit there for a minute. And I really feel the difference in it dissolving for sure. It's been crusty and dusty for a day and a half. Oh, that feels so good. I thought at first there wasn't going to be any hope for this glue on my eyelashes, but I said, girl, you know what you got to do. You got to create your mixtures. And baby, it's come through. Just using a little facial wipe here. Ooh. I guess I didn't do a great job at taking off my makeup last night, okay? Did it help my eyelashes is the question. Well, slightly. At least they're not stuck to my skin any longer. Okay, it's coming off. Finally. Just working on the lash part now. Yeah, it's dissolving it. It's just going to take its time now because, girl, this stuff here is the bomb. Alright, so that little project is done. My DIY makeup oil remover. And babies, this finally did it. I finally have my lashes back. And now it's just time to heal and restore them because I did lose a few in the process this weekend of trying to get these off. I appreciate y'all watching. So the DIY oil makeup remover works wonders, especially for waterproof, hard to remove makeup items like, of course, the mascaras or glues on the eyelashes. So check it out down below. It's all of the ingredients with measurements. Check it out down below, and also Ready Shop links. So y'all know how I do it. I appreciate y'all watching. Thank you so much. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now, but I will see you in the next one. Take care until then.